How to find your federal tax ID number. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll discuss on how to find your federal tax ID. So let's get started. First of all, you need to check your IRS issued tax ID notice. Look for the notice the IRS sent you after you applied for your federal tax ID, and this notice confirms your application and includes your tax ID. Find it on previously filed tax returns, and if you filed tax returns for your business, your tax ID should be on those documents. So contact your bank or licensing agencies. If you've used your federal tax ID to register with your bank or obtain a business license, they should have it on the file. So contact them to retrieve it, and you can also try contacting the IRS directly. You can call the IRS business and tax line, and you can reach them from Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So be prepared to identify yourself and prove that you're authorized to receive the tax ID information. So that's it. Finding your federal tax ID can be simple. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.